better. Come on, jump.
First and 10.
Feet together.
First and 10. Yeah, we're first
No.
and
How
10.
we doing this for 10? How we doing that? Is that 10?
No.
If y'all can jump, I'm a little chunky.
First.
So if I can be chunky and I can jump first. And feet together.
First.
No, don't hurt yourself. So let's try it one more time, okay? 5, 6, 5, 6. Whoever calls this cheer, all they have to do is well, first and 10. First, okay? So close.
Yeah, we're first and 10.
Yeah.
First
Arms out.
and 10. First and 10. Yeah, we're first and 10.
Right
First
foot. Step out with the right.
and 10.
Stop.
and 10.
If you're jumping, you can't forget the clap. You gotta do arms out, you gotta clap, and you still have to jump. Understood?
Yes.
Let's try it again. Or we're gonna take the jumping out. Who wants to take the jumping out? I think the jumping is cute. That's because you're hot right now. It's gonna be cute when you feel your skirt moving.
You like this.
Okay. You ready? Let's try it again. 5.
Yeah, we're first and 10.
Stop.
First.
Stop. You have to pay attention. You do not get anything.
One, hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi.
Hips and you look forward, okay?
What's my name?
Coach Erica.
Nails down.
Kanaya.
Kanaya,
But it's Coach Erica, baby. When y'all around me, that's what y'all have to call me.
You ready? 5, 6, close.
Yeah, we're first and 10. First
Arms out.
and 10. First and 10. Yeah, we're first
Tight
and 10.
arms. Tight arms.
First
Tight arms.
and 10.
Tight, no.
First and 10. Yeah, we're first.
If we're first, what's first?
Oh, yeah.
What's
I'm just
second?
recording her so she can see what she's doing
Look
wrong.
at your arms. We're here. Right here. We're here. Close your fingers. Let's do it one more time. Call it again.
Yeah, we're first and 10. First and 10. First and 10. Yeah, we're first and 10. First and 10.
Straighten your arms.
First and 10. Yeah, we're first and 10.
Stop. Go get some water.